as the gods wanted us to cook, cooking with fire, cooking with the gift of fire, on a flame, with wood, burning, heating, nurturing, warming. This Thanksgiving, I'm using my lakaya and a rotisserie kit to rotisserie the turkey. The capacity of the rotisserie is 20 pounds. The turkey is 11. I've been brining the turkey for 2 days. Lemon. All the spices of the holidays, allspice, cloves, ginger, cinnamon, rosemary, thyme, some sugar, salt. Now, here we are. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it beautiful? Blistering, beautiful, bold, and spiritual. Like and subscribe for more.